Rosehip Synergy Face Oil Plus. Feed your skin with nature's most nourishing plants, to restore youthful vitality and natural glow. This blend of natural botanical and essential oils treats fine lines and excessive dryness, firming and toning skin for optimal skin health. Rosehip Synergy Face Oil ingredients with sweet almond oil for keeps the skin soft, olive oil for light finish, sunflower oil is able to protect the skin from environmental damage, apricot kernel oil good for sensitive skin, non-irritating and soothing, calendula oil good for dry, rough, chapped, fissured and stressed skin, argan oil gives you a brighter, more youthful look, and, last but not the least, rosehip's oil repairing and regenerating properties. In short, Rosehip Synergy Face Oil Plus, restore natural glow, treats fine lines and dryness, and brighter skin with youthful look. Enjoy with AC Sydney. Buy now. Rosehip Synergy Face Oil Plus for all type of skin.